Hello everyone, this is Phoebe from the Bugsnag Team, and today I'm going to be talking about the Stability Center and managing release stability in Bugsnag. The Stability Center is a homepage for you to quickly view the stability of all your projects in one place. As a first tip for organizing this page, you have the ability to select favorites, which will get bumped to the top of the page for convenience. Here in the Stability Center, we show you an overview of the application stability of all your projects. For client-facing applications, we also provide user stability scores for every release. In the Stability Center, you can see the number of errors for review, and you can also see if the errors for review went up or down and by how many within the last 7 days. Be mindful where you click on each project square. Top right is the project name. Clicking on it takes you to the error inbox. Bottom left is the latest release. Clicking on it takes you to this particular release overview in the releases dashboard. Bottom right is the errors for review count. Clicking on it takes you to these specific errors in the error inbox. Let's go ahead and click the top project name, and it'll take us to the error inbox view of this particular project. Now, if you want to view the releases dashboard for this project, you can click on this tab at the top, which will take you straight there. In mobile applications, one of the first things you'll notice in the releases dashboard is the stability and adoption trends graph. In this graph, you can see the stability by sessions or by users over time in correspondence with the adoption rate of new releases over time. Click into any release version for more information. As the release box expands, you'll see a list of the top 5 errors seen in the release. Additionally, in the second tab, you can view all the new errors introduced to your app within the release. Currently, our demo doesn't have any, but then you can also specify if you'd like to view only handled errors or unhandled errors. Let's quickly go back to the releases dashboard, and you can notice at the top you have quick access to configure your stability settings. This gear at the top corner takes you to your project settings, where you can set your stability target and threshold, and also set your primary release stage for that project. One thing to quickly note is that from the Stability Center, let's quickly go back there. If you click the bottom left, which is latest release, it'll take you to that particular release view. But if you want to see the releases dashboard, you can simply click the menu item at the top. This has been an overview of the Stability Center and releases dashboard in Bugsnag. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hello@bugsnag.com. To sign up for a free 14-day trial, visit our website at bugsnag.com. Thanks for watching.